Okay, hi, I'm Dave Metcalf, Lieutenant with the Franklin Fire Department out of Franklin, Tennessee. This is our new brush truck. It is not a replacement, it's an addition to our fleet. It's the first one that I'm aware of that we've done on a Chevy chassis like this. It's a brand new Chevy chassis. And because this is the first one on this chassis, SVI's had to do some special modifications for us to get things like the front bumper and other things to work for us. One of the features of this Chevy truck is that this whole hood folds forward so that you can get in and work on the motor and all the stuff inside. So in order to do that with the brush guard, SVI had to manufacture for us a bumper that will fold forward out of the way. The other feature that they put on here for us is that we can pull this pin and we can pull the monitor up, unplug it and set it out of the side. We can fold the whole front end of the truck up to be able to get in and work on it. We have the little bumper sprays down on the side that are designed so if we're driving down the road or whatever, when we're pumping and rolling, that it's a 45-gallon spray that'll just fan spray out, and all of this is controlled from inside the cab. We've got a joystick for the monitor and controls for the bumper sprays that we control from inside the cab while we're going down the road. Also, we have a receiver here and a receiver on the rear of the truck that are designed for a portable winch that'll mount to that receiver. And then we have rope ties built on, anchor points built on the front and the back of the vehicle. This compartment here, you can see we've got area for our fire shelters. The medical equipment will sit here, and then here's the winch with remote control for the winch that, like I talked about before with the front bumper or the rear bumper, we can mount that in either location. This here is going to have two backpack style blowers mounted in here. The blowers are on their way. In this compartment will be one of the engineer's compartments, which will have adapters and nozzles and that kind of stuff mounted. This is our pump panel. This is a Darley 250 GPM pump. One of the features with this that we decided to do is that this pump, instead of having its own gas tank, is plumbed directly into the fuel tank for the truck itself. So we don't have to worry about having separate fuel for it. We're going to have a 100-foot hose reel on here, and then we have storage compartments built up top for hand tools and pre-connects. The water tank is a 300-gallon water with a 10-gallon foam system, and the pump capacity is 250 GPM. This compartment is going to be an additional engineer compartment with, again, nozzles, your hydrant wrench, your spanner wrenches, and that kind of stuff mounted on the pull-out, slide-out tray. In this center compartment on the slide-out tray, we're going to have a couple of chainsaws here with our gas cans, and then on the back wall we'll have Pulaskis mounted. Here we're going to have chainsaw chabs, hearing protection, stuff for running the saws, a toolbox, and some other stuff, and then spare hose will be down here.